So I want to shout out and say salute to Wheel Tech and my man Raymond. Thank you, Raymond, for hooking me up with the QA. These guys up here are top notch.
Looking good.
Yeah, I know. That's my initial Radford. Two down, two more to go.
Good.
Yeah, man. Balancing the rim.
Last one, baby.
Yeah, last one, baby. That's his car?
That's a customer.
Balancing the wheels. Correction, Q8. Miss Radford, the realtor.
Josh, can we put that on one more second? Don't worry about this little. I don't like where the wheel sits. Look, look how far in it is. I want to pull it out.
How you do that?
These are made for the car. So we use longer stud bolts. That locks into the hub here, and then the wheel that locks in here, and that will lock in there, and the fitment will be better. I think that's the way to go. Now we get it up off of here. Let's put a lug bolt in it. There's a 45 and that's no piece. That's 545. So I just think the fitment's going to be, once it sits on the ground, way better for you.
All right. Do your thing. I trust you. That's why I come here. You the man.
Trying to do it right for
I know you do. That's why I'm here. All my cars come here.
I have 50 mil as well. I think this is going to be a much better deal. We get enough clearance off of here, off your upper control arm, and it sits further out. It's going to look way better. If I'm going to do it in the front, I'm going to do it in the rear. So then, all right, Tox, go.
So what is the name of that?
This is a hub-centric spacer. This one's made by Titan. Springs and wheels. And this is tight on there, and then it'll be tight to the wheel. So. All right, you know what to do.
Yeah, that's spare.
Oh, so there's your spare.
You fill it up with air.
Oh, you fill it up with air.
This one is completely flat.
Oh, it's completely flat.
Put it out, fill it up, then you can install it.
Oh, okay.
That's why they give you a little compressor.
Oh, so it's flat.
It's completely flat right now.
So how would I fill it up if I was on the side of the road?
You gotta bring it out, take it out completely out, put it in the ground, put the compressor to your car, connect the compressor to the car, and fill it up.
Oh, okay. Good.
I give it to you flat so it
Yeah.
fits there.